This episode of the Fire Alarm Insider is proudly brought to you by Securities, your trusted partner in fire alarm and security solutions, protecting lives and businesses one system at a time. Welcome to the Fire Alarm Insider, the podcast where we talk code, compliance, and how to succeed in the fire alarm and life safety industry. I'm your host, Anthony T. Richardson, and today we're diving into a topic that could save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. I call it the perfect fire alarm install and what it really takes. I'm going to explain to you why most fire alarm installs go wrong. You'll be surprised how often I get called to fix someone else's mess. The system failed inspection, the clients get frustrated, and now they're behind schedule with violations piling up. Here's why most installs go sideways. Poor planning, meaning you have no idea how to plan this particular job. There's no code review, so you don't understand the type of devices or the application you're building the design for. You don't understand how to file with the local authorities, nor do you understand the process it takes to actually get the permit. And the big one is hiring someone who's not certified or experienced because you're trying to save a few dollars. Bottom line, a fire alarm isn't just a bunch of wires and devices. It's a life safety system, and there's no room for shortcuts. None. So what is the perfect fire alarm install? At Securities, we've built a proven process we call the perfect fire alarm install, and it works every time. Here's a 5-step breakdown. Step 1. We give you a free site survey, a custom design system, meaning we walk your property, we identify your requirements, and design a system that fits your building and your application. The second step is we handle all the permits and filing fees with the fire department, and we follow the process to get the permit for your fire alarm design. The third step is we work in conjunction with a licensed electrician to install and give you a code compliant system. The fourth step is we connect your central station and we test each and every one of your devices back to central station to ensure your system is 100% in tip-top shape. And the fifth step is the final sign-off, where we would request the final inspection with the fire department so that way they can test it and approve your system and you get your letter of recommendation right there on the spot. So who is this for? If you're a general contractor with one-to-many projects, or if you're a building owner with one-to-many buildings, or if you're a property manager that handles multiple properties, and especially if you're a developer that's building buildings, you're gonna need a fire alarm system. Whether you're in a building or a new upgrade, an old system, we take the guesswork out and deliver a code compliant, inspection ready, and on time and on budget. At Securities, we understand the importance of having a trusted partner in your corner. Whether you're launching a business or expanding your services, we're here to help protect what you've built. Visit www.securities.com to learn how we can support you. You have to ask yourself, what am I going to do next if I'm planning a new install or if I've been burnt by a bad one or a bad contractor? What you can do is you could book a free consultation with us. We'll review your project, identify your potential risk, and show you exactly how we approach with the perfect fire alarm install. Go to securities.com or call us at 845-377-3001 to schedule your site survey today. Thanks for listening to the Fire Alarm Insider. If this episode helped you out, share it with someone in your network, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay safe, smart, and stay compliant. So I hope you found this episode helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the Fire Alarm Insider for more safety notes, industry insights, and expert advice. And hey, if you have any fire-related questions or topics you want me to cover, reach out to me on social media. You can follow me on Facebook at Securities, Instagram at The Fire Alarm Expert, TikTok at The Fire Alarm Expert, and you can find me on YouTube at The Fire Alarm Expert. You could also visit our website at www.securities.com. So stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.
Bye.